Welcome to the GeMaker channel, friends. In today's video I'll be cutting and shaping this Ethiopian opal. Take a look at this specimen. The play of color is fantastic. It literally has the entire rainbow in it. Reds, oranges, yellows, greens and blues. Alright, the base will be right here. To ensure it sits perfectly flat, I'll need to trim this section. This part has to go too, as it's quite thin, and there is a protrusion underneath. I'll also trim it here to achieve a nice oval shape. The rough stone weighs in at just over 24 carats. I'm starting to preform the stone and trim away the excess material. Now, look here, do you see this inclusion? It has to be removed. Not only would it leave an unsightly spot in the finished cabochon, but it could also cause the stone to crack during the drying process. I also need to grind away any pits or depressions to make sure the cabochon is perfectly smooth and even. While leveling the base, I spotted a tiny crack. It's vital to remove it to prevent future fracturing, so I'll need to keep grinding the base down a bit further. Ethiopian opals are hydrophanes, meaning they absorb water and other liquids they come into contact with. That's why you can see the opal turning transparent in the video, as it soaks up water. Look at those colors! What incredible opalescence! The preform is set. To make it easier to work with, I am mounting the stone onto a dopstick. Any remaining bumps or rough spots will be smoothed out on the next wheel, which has a soft backing. I'm currently using an 800 grit wheel. This step smooths out the angles and minor irregularities, giving the rough shape a more rounded silhouette. Now I am moving to 1500 grit to remove the scratches left by the previous wheel. The final wheel I use before polishing is 2500 grit. The final polish is done on a felt wheel using cerium oxide. And here is the finished result. This is after the stone has had a few days to fully dry out. Friends, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think of the process and the final result. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!